Hey everyone! Welcome to today's art video. Today I'm working on a possible family holiday card for this year. As usual, my iPad didn't properly capture the very beginning of this drawing, but thankfully Procreate has the feature where it makes a sped up video of your work, so I was able to at least add that. But anyway, I wanted to do a cutesy little family portrait thing, so here it is. And here I am, struggling with my brush calligraphy work. I'm not the best at it, but I really like doing this kind of calligraphy. It is really hard, though, trying to get something pretty and cursive-y to fit into a curved space like this banner. Which is why I ultimately decided to play it safe with print instead. So anyway, like I mentioned, this is supposed to be a little family holiday card. I've never really been one of those people who sends out family happy holidays or Merry Christmas cards, but I've always kind of wanted to be. I love receiving those kind of things in the mail, so I'd love to also be the one giving them. I just always put it off because getting a family portrait is like so difficult with 3 pets. Even though I'm an artist and I draw, I never thought about how I could just draw our family. I don't know, not really thinking, I guess. But yeah, this year I finally decided to do it. I never really drawn this cutesy style, so it was kind of fun to do. It's funny though, for me, one of the perceived perks of drawing in a cute, simple style like this is that it's faster and easier, but I ended up working on this just as long, or maybe even a little bit longer, than some of my other more realistic or more painterly or more whatever pieces. I think a lot of that is because I'm still new to it though, so I'm just constantly adjusting stuff until it looks right. For example, in this piece, I changed how Hobbs looked like approximately 10,000 times. Seriously though, did I adopt a more difficult dog to draw? Anyway, I think out of all of our pets, I captured Uni's personality completely. And Gremlin, well, he's a black cat, so he's a bit more difficult to capture, but in a different way than Hobbs. But I think I got his derpy, wide-eyed stare down pretty well. I think one of the things about this cutesy, like more simple style is that since it is so simple, any mistake is like glaring, or at least for me, I'm like a big perfectionist, so anything that I can see that's wrong, I immediately have to fix. And I guess in more complicated pieces, stuff can blend in more easily. I don't know if this is making a lot of sense, but in something more simple, you can definitely see if something's off. And I guess I was a little indecisive on different choices I wanted to make with this. Like, for example, I spent a long time going back and forth on if I should have a lineless look, especially after I added a background color. And then, ultimately, as you can see here, I decided to just go for it. Unfortunately, at this point in the drawing, since I had merged everything together, my only option was to just carefully paint over the existing lines, so that was fun. But I think I like the look of it better. I don't know, what do you guys think? But yeah, I kept going back and forth on stuff like that, so that's probably why it took forever. But yeah, here's the finished piece. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell, all that good stuff. Thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you later this week.